Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into fix. 6 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Restore, which means repair or renovate a building, work of art, etc. so as to return it to its original condition. Restore. For example, the building has been lovingly restored. Number 2. Rectify, which means put right. Rectify. For example, mistakes made now cannot be rectified later. Number 3. Repair, which means put right an unwelcome situation. Repair. For example, the new government moved quickly to repair relations with the USA. Number 4. Remedy, which means set right an undesirable situation. Remedy. For example, money will be given to remedy the poor funding of nurseries. Number 5. Mend, which means repair something that is broken or damaged. Mend. For example, workmen were mending faulty cabling. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.